Garlic. This small treasure with a sharp aroma has been a part of our food for centuries. Its story begins in Central Asia, where it was first cultivated 5,000 years ago. Ancient civilizations valued garlic not only for its culinary uses, but also for its medicinal properties. The Egyptians, known for their advanced civilization, held garlic in high regard. They included it in their food, used it in religious ceremonies, and even gave garlic to the workers who built the pyramids. Across the Mediterranean, the Greeks and Romans also embraced garlic for both culinary and medicinal purposes. Reaching India, garlic became an integral part of Ayurvedic medicine. Ayurveda, the traditional system of medicine in India, recognizes garlic's warming properties and its ability to balance the body's energy. For centuries, garlic has been used in India to treat a variety of ailments. Small in size, garlic is packed with nutrients. Just 100 grams of garlic provides you with many essential nutrients. It is low in calories, with approximately 149 calories per 100 grams, making it a guilt-free addition to any meal. Most of the calories in garlic come from carbohydrates, about 33 grams per 100 grams. These carbohydrates provide energy to the body. Garlic is low in protein, containing about 6.3 grams per 100 grams, which is essential for building and repairing body tissues. Garlic contains almost no fat, only 0.5 grams per 100 grams. This makes garlic a heart-healthy choice. Fiber, an important nutrient for digestion, is present in garlic at about 2.1 grams per 100 grams. Beyond its macronutrients, garlic is renowned for its rich storehouse of vitamins and minerals. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts immunity and protects cells from damage. Vitamin B6, crucial for brain health and metabolism, is abundantly found in garlic. Thiamine, another B vitamin, plays a vital role in energy production and nerve function, and garlic provides a good amount of it. Folate, essential for cell division and growth, is also present in garlic. Garlic's mineral content is equally impressive. It is a good source of calcium, which is crucial for strong bones and teeth. Iron, essential for oxygen transport in the blood, is also found in garlic. Potassium, an electrolyte that balances fluids in the body, is present in significant amounts in garlic. Magnesium, vital for muscle function and nerve transmission, is another mineral found in garlic. Phosphorus, crucial for energy production and bone health, is also present. Finally, garlic contains zinc, a mineral that supports the immune system and wound healing. Garlic has long been recognized for its immune-boosting properties. Allicin, a sulfur-containing compound released when garlic is crushed or chopped, is key to its immune-enhancing effects. Allicin possesses potent antimicrobial properties, effectively combating bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Regular garlic consumption can help strengthen the body's natural ability to fight infections. Studies have shown that garlic intake may reduce the severity and duration of the common cold. Garlic's immune-boosting effects are particularly beneficial during flu season. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you can naturally enhance your immunity and protect yourself from seasonal ailments. Whether it's adding garlic to soups, stews, or stir-fries, there are countless ways to enjoy the immune-boosting benefits of this pungent bulb. Garlic has emerged as a heart-healthy food, owing to its positive effects on cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that garlic can help lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. Allicin, the active compound in garlic, helps relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing pressure on the heart. Garlic also helps lower cholesterol levels, another major contributor to heart disease. It reduces the production of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that can clog arteries. Additionally, garlic acts as an antioxidant, protecting against oxidative stress, which can damage blood vessels. By including garlic in your diet, you can support your heart health and reduce your risk of heart disease. Whether you prefer it raw, cooked, or in supplement form, garlic is a heart-healthy choice. Inflammation is a natural process that helps the body heal and fight infection. However, chronic inflammation can contribute to various health problems, such as heart disease, arthritis, and cancer. Garlic possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help combat inflammation. Allicin, the sulfur-containing compound in garlic, inhibits the production of inflammation-causing chemicals in the body. Garlic also contains other antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals, further reducing inflammation. Regular garlic consumption can help reduce chronic inflammation and protect against inflammatory diseases. Whether you incorporate it into your meals or take a garlic supplement, harnessing the anti-inflammatory power of garlic can benefit your overall health. Garlic has shown promise in helping manage blood sugar levels, making it a potential ally for individuals with diabetes. Studies suggest that garlic may improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to use insulin more effectively to regulate blood sugar. Garlic's sulfur-containing compounds, including allicin, are believed to be responsible for its blood sugar-lowering effects. These compounds may enhance insulin secretion and improve glucose uptake by cells. While more research is needed, incorporating garlic into a balanced diet may complement other diabetes management strategies. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice regarding diabetes management. The benefits of garlic extend to the digestive system, where it can promote gut health. Garlic acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial bacteria in the gut. These beneficial bacteria play a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. Garlic's antimicrobial properties can also help inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria in the gut, further supporting digestive balance. By fostering a healthy gut microbiome, garlic can contribute to optimal digestion and overall well-being. Incorporating garlic into your meals can be a simple yet effective way to support your gut health. Garlic, with its rich history, impressive nutritional profile, and wide-ranging health benefits, deserves a place in everyone's diet. From boosting immunity and heart health to reducing inflammation and supporting digestion, garlic offers a natural and flavorful way to enhance well-being. Whether you enjoy it raw, cooked, or in supplement form, make garlic a part of your routine and experience its transformative power. Before making any significant dietary changes, remember to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.